have seen and I have represented numerous women who have been told by their own companies that they're not entitled to maternity leave because they're not covered by the FMLA. Either the company's not big enough or they haven't worked there long enough. And that while it is a truthful statement that they're not covered by the FMLA, it is a lie because they are still entitled to maternity leave. It is not about, the FMLA is not the only game in town. It's one statute and it provides for up to 12 weeks of unpaid leave. But if you don't qualify for it, you're entitled to recover from childbirth, just as you would be if you worked for a company for 3 months, you broke your leg, and you needed to recover for 2 weeks and didn't have accrued time, sick time. The company couldn't tell you that you're not eligible to recover because you're not covered by the FMLA. It would be disability discrimination. And in this case, it would be disability and sex discrimination if an employer did not allow a maternity leave